Let's learn about farm animals. Donkey, turkey, cow, sheep, chicken, goat, horse, pig, miniature pony, cat. Let's try again. What animal is this? A goat. What animal is this? A horse. What animal is this? It's a donkey. What animal is this? A cat. What animal is this? It's a chicken. What animal is this? A miniature pony. What animal is this? A turkey. What animal is this? A sheep. What animal is this? It's a pig. What animal is this? A cow. Can you think of any more farm animals? Want to keep learning? BOANA worksheets available at boanalearning.com. Don't forget to subscribe.